What is this? How you know? Where's Nevaeh? What the crap are you doing? What is this all about? Wow, piss Jugman. Well, I think I'd rather have the piss Jugman. There you go. My goodness, I like to get one of those jugs. Well, we can use them for some type of toxic.
Piss Jugman. You've never seen Piss Jugman?
You've never seen.
Check out this. It's amazing.
Wave.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, let's take a picture of it.
Who are you?
I'm just a guy on the internet.
I don't want to be on the internet.
No, we won't put you on
No.
This is the owner.
What does it say? Kiss.
Well, you just keep hanging in there. We need all the buckets.